There have been some remarkable moves on these indices over the last few months, and just taking a look at the UK 100 as we go through today's trade of the day for the 11th of January 2021, we're just going to take a look at these basic sniper opportunities. This is the D1 accelerator strategy as part of the Trendsignal Plus training program, and what these sniper discs do is identify really our favored opportunities. There's lots more opportunities available on this strategy, but our favored ones, how we start our new traders off, we can see with these grey discs with the outline around them. Red being for a short trade. We can see a lovely short here, another one here, another one here, and so on. And then as the market then flips back around, we're starting to see those buying opportunities coming through. What I want to do is just zoom into the far right hand side here, and we can see how the market's really gone over the last week or so. And whilst we might be pulling a little bit back on equities today, actually from sort of the 5th or really the beginning of this year, we really have seen some excellent moves. And we can see here that buying opportunity on the 5th of January there at around 66.30 was the buy. The market then rallying around about 300 points over the next 2 days there. So fantastic opportunities for our students that are following the D1 accelerator strategy. And we can use scanning tools to identify these sniper trades. We can use our dashboard tool to identify these sniper trades as well. And what you generally find on these opportunities is a very quick in, very quick out of those trades. And here, classic examples of that. Let's just take a couple of seconds just to go through some of the other stock indices. So whilst this is the FTSE 100, probably one of the slower moving indices that we do trade, let's have a look at the other three that we tend to look at. The DAX here, you can see similarly, you can see that buy there from also from the 6th of January, rallying about 300 points over the next couple of days. So slightly later entry on this one, the day after the FTSE, but a really nice opportunity there. So just moving down from green to red to give us that next opportunity on the next sort of little wave higher. And remember, we're only looking at being in these trades for a couple of days, so 300 points is way more than we would really be looking to take. We can also see the US indices, the Dow, a buy here on the 6th of January as well. This one rallying about 350 points into the weekend. It's a really nice opportunity. The biggest one, though, really being the S&P 500. And you can see that buy, again, from the 6th of January, 37.60 up to around sort of 38.30. That's around about 700 points after that entry on the 6th of January there. So some significant moves. All told, positive movement on those four opportunities, around about 1,630 points within 2 days of those buying opportunities there. One couldn't have failed but to make some decent profits on those opportunities just from clearly identifiable turning points and trading opportunities on the charts there. So as you zoom out, you can see this in a little bit more detail. You can see the indicators rotating from red to green. You can see the clarity over those discs on the chart automatically updated. You can give an opportunity to buy there, all of which moving on really nicely over the next 2 to 3 days to give that profit opportunity. Like I said, the recent batch of opportunities that have taken place this year, positive movement in excess of 1,600 points from the FTSE, the DAX, the Dow, and the S&P 500 indices.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.